Hey, how's it going, fam? P. Wade Ross here. In today's segment of Tuesday's Siege, Uriah Israel, our gardening specialist and farmer and rancher in the Texas area, will be sharing his insights on a very important topic, and that topic is water. So please stay tuned.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Uriah Israel coming again. Your local backyard gardener. I'm here looking at my beautiful lettuce. I'll probably take some of this in this afternoon for dinner, or this evening for dinner. But the thing I want to talk about is, as you see this gigantic water tower behind me, right? I want to talk about water. We know that the earth is covered with about three-fourths of the earth's surface is covered by water, right? But only 3% of that is fresh water, okay? And only about 1% of that is available for us to drink. So water is very, very valuable. Even though everybody knows the formula or the chemical formula for water, H2O, man is not able to actually create water. It's a finite resource on the planet. So water is super valuable. So you might say, hey, you're right, I need to turn my faucet on. I get all the water that I need. But realistically, water is very, very valuable commodity. A lot of places, I mean, you can go to some people's houses, you see they have like a little swimming pool. They have like in-ground pools, but a lot of places do not have, they don't play in their water. Water is very valuable, okay? And all I'm saying is that water, you gotta learn how to treat it. For instance, there are 3 different sources for water, right? Fresh water, water that you can drink. The first one would be what they call groundwater, which comes from an aquifer. We also call them wells. The other place that you can get water from, of course, is surface water, like a river or a pond. You might be blessed to be close to a pond or maybe even a freshwater river or a creek or something like that, right? The last one, of course, I want to talk about is precipitation. Precipitation in the form of snow, in the form of hail, sleet, and, of course, rain. You want to get into the habit of, if you can, harvesting rainwater. That's something that you definitely want to do because water is super duper valuable. Now, when you are watering your plant, your gardens, if you have a small garden like I have here at my house, you definitely want to own several tools for watering. I'm just going to walk around. I don't have them right here at my fingertips like I should, but this is something you want to own. You definitely want to own a wand that you can hook up to the spigot near your house. This is good. It can help you reach spaces that you normally wouldn't be able to do by hand. And so this is an excellent tool, which is called the wand. Second of all, even if you have a small garden, you might even want to use something like this, like a watering can. This is a pretty inexpensive one. This guy right here, watering can. I got this, I think, from the dollar store. They serve the purpose, not pretty. And you also learn how to properly water, which is to water near the roots of your plants. You don't need to water the foliage or the leaves. You just really should be watering at the plants, at the plant, with a plant, the ground around the plant's bottom or around the stem of the plant, not the foliage itself, but water the base of the plant. That's where you should be watering. You want to water in the morning time, early morning, or late in the evening. And once again, you want to water the base of the plant. And so that's all I have to share with you today. that was on my heart to talk about, because this last summer we had a bunch of we had like about 100 days of 100-degree temperature, which is something I've never really lived through. And it just goes to show you that it didn't rain that whole time. And so you had to be real careful, because you can go broke trying to water your plants or your garden during that time period. So water is very, very valuable. Once again, we don't make water, and so be careful of how you use it. Hey, once again, everybody, I'm kind of rambling here, and I just want you guys to know that I love you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.